How to cancel booking in booking.com. So let's get started. First of all, sign into your booking.com for business account. On the top left menu of the dashboard, you will find the bookings button. Then click on this to navigate to the manage booking page. Here you will see a list of all the reservations associated with your booking.com for business account. All you have to do is simply access the booking section. Once you do so, select the reservation. You can use filters to customize your view if needed. Select the reservation you want to manage. Once done so, on the step 3, modify or cancel the reservation. The modify or cancel buttons are at the top right of the page. Click on the respective button and provide the steps to make the desired changes. If you can't cancel or modify the reservation online, a pop-up window will appear with relevant information. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.